Hi there. This is about Deepak Watt's workshop, marma workshop, which I did, which was called I Am Alive. Okay, it was a 5-day workshop, and in that, like, we learned various things. Out of the various things which we did, that the ones which helped me personally was the navel alignment, which he taught us, then the full body stimulation which he taught us, which is very helpful. It actually stimulates the whole body, makes it warm, the blood circulation happens. And also he made us do one more thing, because I was insomniac and I couldn't sleep. I had sleep disorder. So he made us do like a child pose with a pillow, lying down on a pillow on our stomach, okay, before sleeping. So he made us do that. So that was one thing which I practiced, and it helped me get sleep, navel alignment, of course, it helped me. And another thing which he taught us was, like, he told us to eat simple food, like not complex with so much of masala and all, and to eliminate salt from our dinner. Okay, whatever food you eat before the sunset and all, whatever time it's convenient for you. So I did that. I started having dinner before sunset, and I eliminated salt completely. Okay, that has helped immensely in my digestion, my bowel movements, okay, and overall health. My sleep disorder has become okay. Then I used to have my back pain and my spine pain and all of that. That's become straight with that child pose on the pillow. And then he had also taught us about how to there was one thing which he taught us, that was to do a 50 to 60 minutes spot running, and immediately that 50 to 60 seconds, not minutes, 50 to 60 seconds of spot running, and immediately after that a shavasana of 50 to 60 seconds, okay, immediately after that. So just disconnecting kind of. So I started doing that as well.